I can barely stand on my feet. And it's ridiculously cold. I'll just try to walk a few meters. But I'm taking very cool pictures, so it should be enough to give you some impression. I forgot to mention that this is the eco path, and it was built I think last spring, so you can watch and see what's in here. I don't think you will see anything. Okay. I probably told you one story, but I'll tell you later because I think that you cannot really hear what I'm saying.